Now question number 5. Line L is the bisector of angle A and B is any point on L. BP and BQ are perpendiculars from B to the arms of angle A. Then show that triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. Second part is BP is equal to BQ. As in this question it is given that L is the bisector of angle A. It means these two angles are equal. Now let this angle be 1 and this angle 2. Means angle 1 is equal to 2 because L is bisector of angle A. So in this question given is angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and B is any point on L and BP and BQ, these two are perpendiculars to the arms of angle A. Means BQ is perpendicular on AC as AC is arm of angle A, and BP is perpendicular on AD. It is given and we have to show that. To prove, first is triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. Second part is BP is equal to BQ. Now its proof is in triangle APB and triangle AQB. In triangle APB and AQB. In these two triangles, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 given because L is bisector of angle A. And BP and BQ. BP is perpendicular on AD and BQ is perpendicular on AC. These two angles are equal. Let this angle be 3 and 4. It means 3 is equal to angle 4, each 90 degree. And in these two triangles AB is common. So AB is equal to AB, which is common. So we can say that these two triangles, triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. These two triangles are congruent by, in these two triangles, two angles and one side are equal. So we can say that these two triangles are congruent by AA as congruence rule. So now if these two triangles are congruent, then we can say that their corresponding parts are equal, and so BP is equal to BQ because BP is a part of triangle APB and BQ is a part of triangle AQB. So if these two triangles are congruent, then BP is equal to BQ by CPCT.